Hi guys, it's been a while. Welcome to my vlog again, and if you have forgotten, my name is Divine, and my public speaking teacher said that I need to stop with my sentence fillers like and like, so I'm gonna try. And it's been a while since I actually vlogged. Today is the 19th of January. I still haven't like uploaded anything, but I will try to upload this weekend. This following weekend I will be going to Portland with Gressel and Francis, so I'm trying to get everything ready for Portland. And also I'm planning my birthday party in 2 weeks. My birthday is in January 31st, and I'm planning my party on the 2nd. And I haven't really done a party for a long time, only because I don't like dealing with the stress of preparing and stuff. I'd rather have like dinner. But just so you guys know, I am turning 31, and I did it again. I'm turning 31, and it's my last age in the calendar. I keep on telling everybody that, so I kind of want to enjoy and actually celebrate my 31 years of life with the people that I care about. So that's why I'm doing this, and it's very stressful. I'm going to Target. I'm actually at Target right now. I'm gonna go get the stuff that I ordered online. So I think this is a better view when I'm trying to record in the car. So like I said, this is what I got from Target. I feel like my hair is getting longer. I did it again. I can't help it. So this is the cake stand. It looks so pretty. I think this is by, yeah, Project 62. So it looks like this. It's wood on the bottom and then it's marble on top. Now I'm done with Michael's. It took a long time because the receipt printer wasn't working. It wasn't printing, and they didn't want to give me a receipt. I said I needed a receipt just in case the item that I bought didn't work out. So I had to wait for that. Now I'm in front of, or I'm parked at TJ Maxx / Home Goods. So I'm gonna see what I can find, and then I'm gonna move to Hobby Lobby since it is pretty, like, it's literally adjacent to each other. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday today. It's the 1st of February, and today I took a day off of work because I need to prepare for the party that I'm having tomorrow for my 31st birthday. And I think I discussed that on my last vlog. So I have a bunch of errands to do today. I have to clean the backyard, and also I know it's gonna rain tomorrow, but we're gonna be over a not a canopy, but at the, what's that called? The patio, but it has like it has a cover. So okay, anyways, I have like a list that I need to buy right here. My first stop was UPS, so I had to drop off my package, and then now I'm gonna go to Walmart. Hi guys, so I plan to vlog the whole entire day to prepare for my birthday party, but it didn't come out as I wanted to because I was so busy. But I'll show you guys what it's looking right now.
Snap is not gonna be good. I got the back of your head. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. What's up? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Divine. Wait, are you gonna follow her? Oh, that's your photographer. That's only one candle though. Oh!
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey.